everyone, welcome again to this The Real Miracles episode number 3. I hope you have watched it and even you have listened my episode number 1 and episode number 2. I have earlier started my podcast. If you didn't listen, then please go there and listen it if you feel energetic, vibrant to some extent. And in this video, I have nothing which I have already, thought about it or anything scripted. I have just made one list in this diary, if you can see, and I'm just going to elaborate it for you. So how the morning routine should be for a hustler, especially if you are a woman. No, there is no gender disparity. No, it's for all. If you are in 20s, or if you are in 30s, 40s, whatever it is, especially the Indians, because we are very religious. So I have included some points which can be only for religious people. Maybe atheist people can also do something other for their happiness. Okay, so no more chatting, let's dive into it. So when you woke up, the number one thing we all have to do, and what I have to do, actually I am not a famous person. I again and again told you same thing. I'm just normal person like you. I just need your support and I will definitely help you. And please आपको जो भी कोई question है, if you have any doubt, just please contact me in whatever way you want to, right? So in this whole video, I'm going to tell you how should be your morning routine. So let's dive into it. Okay, so number one thing is why you should wake up at 6 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. If you're a millennials like me, we always glue to the screens of mobile phone, sometimes on laptop, and so we didn't even feel that where our time goes. So it's very important to make our day long. So wake up at 6:30 a.m. at least. Okay, it's going to be tough for you, but really मैं एक चीज़ बता रही हूँ. If you have something in your mind, if you have you know a happiness or excitement about your dreams, then definitely you will definitely wake up at 6:30 a.m, whatever time you seem that perfect for you. Okay, so I am not a guru, right? I'm not your motivational speaker for you. I just put my camera in front of me and just making this video, and I didn't put on makeup and stuff like lighting and arrangement of mics. No, I didn't do this because I literally inspired from Gary Vee. If you didn't watch Gary Vee, then please watch this. Okay, so number two thing, it's very important. If after wake up, right, if your dream, if your goal doesn't pop up in your mind, then something is wrong. What I'm saying is, when you woke up, right, when you get up from your bed and you just start thinking about your anxieties, tensions, or any serial which you have earlier watched, or any breakup you had right in the past. So if you're going to think about these things, means something is wrong. You are not thinking about your goal. It's very important when you woke up, at least one time in a day you think about it. If you think about it, because everything starts with our thoughts, right? ये तो आप भी मानते होगे. There are a lot of books, there are a lot of authors, speakers, they always tell us that thinking is what matters, right? So it's very important कि जो आप सोचते हो वैसे ही आप एक्शन लेते हो. So बी कॉन्शियस अबाउट योर थाट्स. सो आपका मॉर्निंग वाला जो थाट होना चाहिए वो यही होना चाहिए कि आपका गोल क्या था, आपका सक्सेस क्या था. ओके, सो इट्स वेरी एसेंशियल. Next thing is third one is that do your brush. जो भी आपकी morning routine है, do whatever you have to do. Or the third step should be do some stretching. Not long for half an hour or 1 hour. Just do it for 15 minutes or 10 minutes, right? If you feel comfortable, then you can also do for half an hour. And and along with that, if you are a theist, you believe in a god, then please listen the rhymes of gurbani, or rhymes of जो भी आप भजन, कोई भी कीर्तन सुनते हो या कुछ भी, राइट? वट एवर इट इज़. एज आई एम belong to Sikh community, so I always try to start my morning with a beautiful song, because it always soothes our soul. If you didn't even know the meaning of these, right, no matter, but still you get some calmness in your mind. So it's very important. And if you can, if you didn't believe in God and doesn't believe in these things, then you can do more meditation and yoga if you want to do, but please do it with a caution, because sometimes it can be dangerous for you. Okay, so it's important. And other one thing is, which is literally very important and I like the most in my whole routine, right? Yes, you heard it right. I like this. And what it is, let me tell you. Please watch your favorite person. Okay, for example, for me, I always watch Gary Vee before I'm going to sleep and after I woke up, right? After doing brush and going to the washroom, and after that I always try to listen Gary Vee, because if I feel less energetic, less motivated, but after watching his video, I feel more vibrant, refreshment, and the power came automatically. The power came and we think that yes, at least कुछ तो करना चाहिए, let's take some small action, as he told us, because वो इतना बोलता है, but still we can't listen about him, वो क्या कह रहा है. And next important thing is, if you are an organized person, right? If you are a disciplined person, then it's very good, very good. But I am not a disciplined person, seriously. I didn't make any plans for a week, not for a month, because I'm just very moody. I do the things whenever my mood came. So we have to change this attitude. Literally we have to change this, because this thing can be a reason of our failure. Yes, so organization with your plans, what you are going to do in a day, it's very important. Then please make a 1 cup of tea for you and start analyzing. If you didn't use the sticky notes, just use your mind to make a list of the things which you are going to do in a day, ठीक? Right? Okay. And then आपको क्या करना है, dive into your work, whatever you are going to do. If you are going to make a content for Instagram or other social media, then just do it, because morning time is a very good time, because your mind is totally fresh, you didn't have any distractions. So it's important to use and utilize this time more efficiently. And if you think that you are more active at the night time, then you can prepare your content at the night time and you can upload it at the morning time, whatever you want to use. Okay, so this is all about for this episode number 3. I hope you like this. And so thanks for watching it. Thank you.